cocktail is called the Breathalyzer. This is one of those things that would be good after dinner if you didn't have peppermints on you or didn't have gum on you and you wanted one more cocktail. Be careful, because it is all liquor. Go ahead and put your ice in your glass like so. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of peppermint schnapps. 1 ounce of peppermint. Now this is just like, you can use like generic peppermint schnapps, that's fine. Rumplemint's is also a peppermint schnapps, and that's 100 proof. So, my advice there is to be careful. 1 ounce of light rum. There we go. Mix it together. Easy, right? 1 ounce of peppermint schnapps, 1 ounce of light rum. Here's your cocktail glass. You could either strain this as a shot, you could do it up as a martini, which in my opinion is just a big shot, or you could do it as a cocktail. This is what it looks like as a cocktail. Go ahead and garnish this with a cocktail straw, and that's your breathalyzer. Cheers.